Today is not just about stretching your body. It's about letting go of what we've been holding inside. Stress, guilt, tension. We carry it in our shoulders, neck, and hips. Let's take 5 minutes just for you. First thing, grounding and breathing. Take a deep breath through the nose and exhale everything out. Do that a couple of times, even with eyes closed. Before we move, let's pause. So much of life keeps us going, thinking, but rarely do we allow ourselves to just be still. This moment is your permission to slow down, to breathe, to be with yourself without judgment. Nothing to fix, nothing to achieve, just being here is enough. Shoulder release. Let's lift your shoulders up and down, making circles, just allowing us to open up through the chest. We carry so much here, responsibilities, expectations, sometimes even guilt. See if you can gently let some of that go, even just a little is enough for today. Next stretch, moving your head side to side, could be with assistance of your hand. Notice your thoughts. You don't need to chase them, just let them pass. And come back to your breath and your body. Stillness doesn't mean nothing is happening. It means you're finally listening. Chest open, you can reach your arms out and give yourself a tight hug, rounding your shoulders, opening through the chest. This is where we protect ourselves, but also where we hold love, kindness, and compassion. See if you can soften here, even just a little bit. You deserve the same care you give to everybody else. Side stretches. One hand on the floor, the other one carefully bending your body, reaching throughout the side rib cage. Life pulls us in many directions, but right now, you don't need to go anywhere. Just stay here with me in this moment and with yourself. Next is a seated hamstrings. We can bring one leg forward at a time. You can do it like that as well. And just reach forward. You can have your hands on a foot, on an ankle, and even on the knee. This stretch might feel tight or limited, and that's okay. Your body has carried you through so much. It doesn't need judgment. It needs understanding, forgiveness. Forgive your body for not being as it used to be, but thank it for everything it still does for you. Next one is a hip opener. Just put the soles of the feet together and allow your hips to fall side to side. The hips often holds what we don't have time to process. Stress, emotions, even old stories. As you breathe here, see if you can soften without needing to understand it at all. Just a deeper moment with your hips. Sometimes letting go doesn't mean forgetting. It means choosing peace instead of holding on. And one more stretch I'd like to recommend is a forward stretch where you just drop your head down, round forward, and be. Let everything drop, your head, your shoulders, and your thoughts. This is your moment of stillness. Pause, silence, and in stillness the body resets, the mind quiets, and we reconnect with ourselves. You don't need to do more. You don't need to be more. You are already enough. Come back to that. Whenever you're in need of a moment for yourself, your body and your heart is thanking you for being here with me today. And I thank you for allowing me to spend some time with you. Please like the video, follow the channel, as I will have many more videos like this coming up. Thank you again. Namaste.